Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful makeup look that is perfect for the holiday season. It is super easy to achieve and I only used one eyeshadow palette, so it's not difficult to recreate at all. You'll be able to rock any holiday party with this look, so if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, just keep on watching. Before we get into this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, that way you can be a part of my channel. I would love for you to be a part of it. I upload new videos every Wednesday and every Sunday. I would love for y'all to be a part of that, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. So let's first start off by going in with my P. Louise primer in the shade Round 2. I finally got my hands on this primer and I'm so excited about it. I have been wanting this primer forever now, and the fact that I finally have it makes me so ecstatic. I don't think I got the right shade, but you know what? It's okay. It does the job, and honestly, I freaking love it. So the palette I'm going to be using is my Morphe 3502 palette. I love this palette, and honestly, I'm wanting to use a lot of the warm tone browns that are in this palette. I feel like this would be a great palette to use if you're wanting to achieve like a holiday look, but you still want to keep it pretty natural. I'm going to first go in with my 505 brush by Morphe and go in with Universal and apply that to my crease. I'm not going to set that primer, that way the shadows can really stick and adhere to the primer, but I am going to go in with a transition shade. Next, with my Morphe 513 brush and that shadow contour, I am going to place that shadow on the outer corner of the eye. I'm going to first go in by stamping it in, and then eventually I'm going to go in and use windshield wiper motions and blend it out. I'm going to go back in with my 505 brush to blend contour into Universal. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe 506 brush and that shadow Toast, and place it on the outer corner of the lid just to deepen it up a little bit more. To blend it out, I'm going to go back in with my Morphe M513 brush and to blend that shadow more inward towards the lid. Now I'm going back in with my P. Louise to cut the crease just a little bit. I'm not wanting to cut the crease like super sharp. I just want to be able to tell a difference of where like the gold shadow meets the brown shadow. Then I'm going to go in with the shadow Pure and place it on my lid. I'm using my finger because I feel like my finger gives the most pigment. You can go in with a brush if you'd like, but personally I like going in with my finger. I feel like it's easier that way and it gives the most pigment. Now for our lower lid, I'm going to go in with my 506 brush and that shadow Toast and blend it all over my lower lid. And then I'm going to go in with the shadow contour and blend it out with my Morphe M513 brush. I am going to go in with contour and blend where Toast and Pure meet. That way it gives more of like a transition to it. Next, I'm going to go in with my NYX liner in Jet Black and line my lid. So I realized with this, I had the gold extended out just a little bit more, so I'm going to go back in and try to extend this gold out as well. So I'm actually going to go in with a brush this time because I want the gold to be in a specific spot. I want to be very meticulous with it, so that's why I'm going in with a brush this time and not my finger. Now I'm just going to go in and curl my lashes and prepare them for mascara. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. Now before I go in with mascara on my bottom lashes, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Perfection Precision eyeliner in the shade Brown and line my waterline. Next, I'm going to go in with the Ardell Studio Effect Wispy Lashes in the number 230. Now that we have the eyeshadow done, I'm going to go in and finish off the face. I'm going to first go in with my Milani bronzer and bronze and contour my face. I'm making sure to hit my cheekbones, my jawline, my forehead, and then I'm also going to contour my nose. So next I'm going to go in and highlight my face. To do that, I'm going to be using my Jueves Place highlighter in volume 3. This is what it looks like. It is beautiful. Then I'm going to go in with my 441 brush by Morphe and apply that to my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and the temples of my forehead. Next for blush, I'm going to be going in with Beloved by Essence and my Morphe 405 brush. I'm just going to go in and apply that blush to the apples of my cheeks. Now what's a holiday look without a red lip? So the red lip I'm going to be using is the Wet n Wild Mega List Liquid Catsuit, and I'm going to be going in with the shade Bad Girls Club. It is just this beautiful red that is perfect for the holidays. It is that vibrant red and it is so bold and so daring. I love it. And then that completes this video. I just want to say thank y'all so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button down below. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I upload new videos every Wednesday and every Sunday, and I would hate for y'all to miss out. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a video. And if there's a specific type of video you'd like to see in the near future, let me know by leaving a comment down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!